The UEFA Nations League is a new competition for national teams where every game counts. It will take place every 2 years, replacing friendlies with competitive games within the existing calendar. The aim is to ensure teams are evenly matched, which is why the 55 national teams have been divided into 4 leagues based on their coefficient. Each league is divided into 4 groups, comprising 3 or 4 teams. Matches take place home and away in September, October and November 2018. The group winners from Leagues B, C and D will gain promotion, and those who finish bottom in Leagues A, B and C will be relegated. In June 2019, the 4 group winners of League A will contest the finals, which will consist of 2 semi-finals, a third-place match and, of course, a final to determine the first UEFA Nations League winners. The Nations League also offers a second chance to qualify for UEFA Euro 2020. The 16 group winners, or the next best-placed teams who have not already qualified via the European qualifiers, will progress to the playoffs to compete for the final 4 Euro places. A new league system with promotion and relegation, a final tournament and a new trophy, as well as another route to Euro 2020. There's lots to look forward to in the new UEFA Nations League.